Yo, my YouTubers, we're back to Chris's Flying Circus. Actually, I changed it. It's Restivo's Flying Circus. Today we're going to fix these glasses. We're going to try and make it quick, but this is how you do it. You get this. It's used for gardening, keeping your limbs up, whatever. Strip it down. It's just basically thin-ass wire. Get a good piece, clip. You can't see me clipping it, I'm actually clipping it. Okay. Like this. I'm going to bend it at a 90, at a 45. Bend it at a 45. Okay, then you grab your glasses, because there's fishing wire or some shit, and it's really shitty. So this is a quick, easy fix, and it's upgrade too. So you get this, and you come through. There's 2 holes. There's supposed to be 2 holes. I can't see that good right now. Oh, there we go. See? Okay, so then you come in here, and you see that bend we made? That's gonna go in the other hole, but you have to actually bend it a little more. Luckily, this is very pliable stuff. To get it to match up, measure, gotta go a little more. And still, yeah, a little more. So it's kind of a pain in the ass, but if you take it to LensCrafters or something, they're probably going to charge you an arm and a leg and another leg and another arm, so you'll be rolling in there. Or actually, you'll be rolling out of there. So then that hooks, see? I'm not good at this, but... So it hooks. Then, you bend it down like this. Boom. Now you have a carrier, okay? So you get the bottom string, now you get your lens. You put it in. There's a slide or a slot here. God, I gotta get a camera. Anyway, this is Restivo's Flying Circus. How to fix your glasses in a hurry, if they're the kind with the string. And this is an upgrade too. I've already done it once. The only reason I'm doing it again is because actually that rusted out. So you might want to paint this first. I don't know if it'll stay. Okay, so then you're gonna come in like this on the other side after you lace the string on the bottom. And come at, whoop. You know what? Better idea. Remove the lens. Then string it. Yep, because now you can string it from the inside out, and that's kind of what you want to do. From the inside out. There. Now you can string it. With the lens out, it's already kind of looking like the shape it's going to be. I got these. Usually you can use your hands, but these make it a little easier. Okay. You're not going to need that much, so you're going to clip a little bit. You do want to make that bend again. Remember that bend I was talking about, the 90. Okay, now grab your lens, put it in. Put it in the slide, make sure it's tight. Now this is where you kind of need these. It's going to pull. And eventually that wire is going to hold these in. See, it's starting to get tighter and tighter, so just going to make sure it's wrapped around. And they'll, I mean, it's not perfect. They'll pop out once in a while, but not very often. Keep it in there. You can roll it too, like this. If you roll it, actually get some more length out of the wire. But what you want to do is pull the wire through, so that way you get a nice tight seal on that clamp, like that. Okay. Ooh, thank you, love. I just got cake, love. All right. So then you have that. Now with this, you can go back through the hole. The original one, but like I said, bend it to 90. You always have to bend these. Sorry, the fucking thing. Anyway, for this, the purpose of this, I mean, you get the idea. See, it's in there. I can put them on. and the lens doesn't pop out. The lens doesn't pop out, see? And you can't really tell. See, I don't even know what side it was. But watch out for the wire. Because if you leave the wire long and you put on your glasses, it'll poke your fucking eye out. So don't be stupid.